Okay guys, I'm here in the house now to fix the cabinet. How to fix a cabinet in the house, just in case you have no knowledge about the carpentry. I'm not saying I'm a totally carpenter, but I can fix the door or any carpentry problem. Not a major, only a minor. Okay, let's check this. Is the problem is here? See, door problem. Okay, door problem. See, between this and this, I repair it. Okay, instead using glue or other materials parts to replace. But in my case, I will fabricate some special tools for that. Okay, just to fit and no money involved. No need to buy anything. Only you need is important tools like drills, drill bit, and a little bit metal. That's it. Okay, we're going outside now to do the drilling. Okay. Okay, here we are. We need make fabricate some special tools for this. Maybe we need only two or one. Okay, I will start drilling now. Okay, our special tools. Release. Maybe we need two or one pieces only. Okay. Bit hard. Okay. So we start now. Not important, straight. So better a little bit twist. just in case we need 2 pieces of this. Okay, basic. We need to fabricate some special tools for that. Okay. Again. A little bit bent, so because there's a little bit you cover the old parts. You change the bit, small bit, change the bit for now. Okay, so it's easy to fix it. Okay, another one. This is just in case only. If you need 2 or 1 only is enough. You can use some other problem in your house. Okay. A little bit bend it. Okay. We go inside now. We go inside now to do a screw. Okay. We use a screw like this, flat or round head. That's right, flatted or a gray one. Depends. I can use this. Different types of screws. Flat. This is flat. This is round. Or like this, 15-16 size. We can use this in metal, but depends. Let's see. Okay. Let's go inside. Maybe we need 2 or 4. Just leave it for now here. Let's go.